I know I look pretty defeated right now, and I almost decided to walk away from it, but I didn't. But I'm gonna give you a quick 1-minute video on how to remove an alternator on a 2011 Kia Sorento with the 4-cylinder, that thing there. So every video you're gonna find, they're gonna tell you that you're going to have to, naturally take off all your belts and all that. So I'm just gonna spare you all the details on that. Now, I've also read a couple where they say you gotta take off the compressor and all that. And if you wanna do it that way, that's fine, because it involves jacking up the subframe, to which I'm not trying to do. So what I end up doing, I did a lot of swearing and I did a lot of praying, and finally my prayers were answered, and I jacked up the engine mount, got it about as high as I can get it. And I removed the power steering pump, and as you can see, that's the alternator right there, and it can come out, if you just barely wiggle and swear just a little bit, it can come out through the top. All right, so, and take out the power steering bracket. It's only 2 10mm bolts, and once you do that, the alternator should come right out. And that'll be it right there. All right, love, peace, and grease. Oh, and remove that thing. It makes it easier to remove and install the alternator.